Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can wire transfer from BDO bank to international bank. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So it's a very simple process. You just need to gather some important information which I will be showcasing over here. So the first thing is obviously the gather information. So you just have to make sure that you have the recipient's details, which can obtain the recipient's full name, bank name, branch address, account number, and most importantly the SWIFT code. Once you have got all of the information, then you're going to enter the amount that you would like to transfer to them, which can have a potential fees charged by BDO to the recipient's bank. Right, if you are simply sending to another country international way, that's according to the currency rate change, it will ask you to provide the extra money to pay for. Then the next step is simply contact BDO. You can simply visit your nearest BDO branch or contact the customer service hotline, which will be given in their official website, the number. You can inform them about your intention to make international wire transfer. You can provide the details that you have gathered on the first step, and you can know about the fees and charges too for the third option. You can be aware of the charge that it will ask you to provide. And additionally, the recipient bank may charge their own fees. Ask BDO for a breakdown of all potential charge involved for you to be cleared financially. And the fourth step would be simply for you to start the transaction process. BDO will simply verify the recipient details and initiate the transfer process. Processing times can vary depending on the destination country and bank. Provide an estimated time frame for the transfer completion, which will be the tracking. And you can see in the fifth is the tracking and confirmation. BDO will offer a tracking number or reference code for your transaction. Use this to track the transfer progress and confirm its successful completion with the recipient. You can keep on tracking how long it will take to be done. Once it's done, it's showing in your online statement, tracking statement. Ask your recipient whether they have received the money or not, and that is how your transaction will be successful. So make sure to just follow these 5 steps carefully, and you will be done. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.